everybody, it's Sierra, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do one of my favorite craft projects, collaging. So here's some examples of some collages that I've done in the past. A collage is just cutting out a bunch of pieces of paper from magazines or newspapers, things that you like, and gluing them onto a piece of paper to create an art project. So this is one of the first ones I did. I just cut out a bunch of some of my favorite things and glued them on a piece of paper, and it makes me happy when I see it. I did another one that was just flowers for springtime, and I did one that was just fruits and vegetables that I put on my fridge to try to help remind me to eat more fruits and vegetables. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these. You don't need a ton of supplies. The only things you really need are some paper. Today I'm just going to make a little collage on this little note card, some scissors, some glue, and some old magazines or newspapers or stickers if you want. So here we go, let's do it. So I've cut out some pieces already, some things that I want. You can pick a theme for your collage, or you can just cut out the things that you like. Today I'm going to make a collage for spring. So I've already cut out a few spring pictures here. This one says Spring Refresh. I thought it was cute. You can go ahead and glue it on there. You can use any kind of paper you want. I've got some blue paper here, green paper, white paper. I just decided this big bright green would be nice, and it's small so it won't take too long to fill up. I try to fill up as much of the space as I can. Next we've got these cute pastel bunnies. Put glue on them, stick them on there. Cute bunnies, awesome. We've got a little piece here that I cut out that says Easter. Celebrate Easter at my house, so I'll put that on there as well. Maybe down here at the bottom, trying to fill in the space. Let's see, I've got another thing here I want to use. I've got this magazine and it's got a beautiful picture of a butterfly. It's got some flowers in there. I thought it would be really nice to cut out one of these flowers and put it in my collage. Cute. I'm gonna trim it down so that there isn't as much of this background, and it just has mostly the picture of the flower on there. I like collaging because it's something you can do while you watch TV or watch a movie. It doesn't cost any money. You can just use things that come in the mail and find pictures that you like, advertisements, things like that. It's really fun. Okay, there's that flower. It's a little bit big, so we might need to trim it down a little bit so we can get it to fit. I think I'm gonna cut off the stem here and maybe a little bit of the top. That's the great thing about collaging, is you can trim it to fit what you need, as big or as little pieces as you want. You can just use pictures, or you can do pictures and words. I kind of like to do a little bit of both. You can even cut out individual letters and spell things like your name. I've done that before, and I've written little sayings made of words from all kinds of magazines. Alright, put that right there to fill up some of that space. It's okay if they overlap a little bit. That doesn't matter. It just adds to the artistry of it, I think. Let's see. Next, I've got this little teeny flower vase. Super cute. I'm going to put that in right there. Cute. Okay, I've got just a little bit more space. This guy over here needs to be glued a little bit more. He's getting free. There we go. All right, the last one I have is this cute piece that says Spring is Arriving Daily. I don't have a ton of space to put it on here, so I'm gonna just trim off the flowers. Maybe I can use the words for my next collage. I can save this piece if I like it, use it another time. And then I'll just trim up these flowers a little bit so they look kind of, there we go. So there's not as much of that green background on there. Perfect. All right, we'll glue these down. I will have covered up most of the empty space, which I like. And then I think my collage is going to be about finished. Glue that one down. Where shall we put this next one? Maybe right, yeah, right there. There's an empty space there that needs something cute. All right, there we go. I made this piece of art. It was easy, it didn't cost any money. I just used things that I already had in my house. If you want to make sure your collage will stay this way for a long time and be safe, you can cover it with Mod Podge, or you can even put some tape over it. The big kind of tape that you use to pack boxes, packing tape. You can put that over the top. It's clear so you can see through, but it will protect your collage and your little pieces. If you guys make this, I would love to see your creations. Please take a picture and I would love to see them. Email me at my school email address, siswenson@wsd.net. And if it's okay with you, maybe we can share some of them with our friends so everyone can see what each other has made. I think that'll be really fun. Have a good week, you guys. Miss you. Bye.